Yeah, man, one more try, man, one more try. KTV Herbal Remedies on Epsi website. Yeah, man, see it, yeah? Alright, so we're there today to talk about the red trumpet leaf. Enough people don't know, say you have a green and you have a red. But more tell you, you don't want to miss this. Here are 12 health benefits. Did I say 12? 13 health benefits of red trumpet leaf. Number one, it is used for cold and sore throat. As you drop one of them at you, an authentic tablet in your mouth from the grind leaf, the leaf, and them capsule I make from cellulose, which is also vegan, so you don't have to worry about nothing. Everything here is natural and ready to digest, straight food. Number two, it is great for what? The nervous system. This is also called the nerve plant. Number three, it is used for treating diabetic patient, yes. Number four, it treats patients with high blood pressure. This can be able to lower your blood pressure after you run 2 weeks of it, right? Number five, it is used to regulate menstruation. Women with heavy menstruation flow, there is no problem anymore. Come over here, we have it galore. Number six, trumpet leaf is used to release the placenta in women after birth, when giving birth. Yeah, man, this allows the uterus to contract and relax properly so that the baby and both the baby and the placenta can flow through the womb properly. Number seven, trumpet leaf can be used to reduce pain, and the sap is used to treat wound from what? Bacterial infection. When I hear me? Alright, me tell you something. So number eight, the Asians use trumpet plant to treat bronchitis, hypertension, obesity, bacterial infection, respiratory disorders, and diabetes. Somebody hearing me? Number nine, clears black tube in woman and increase fertility for pregnancy. This one need a baby herb for woman who in a time we want to get pregnant. Number 10, this is used for weight loss. It helps the body to metabolize more effectively. Would I hear me? Number 11, it treats kidney infection. They also call this the herb of the kidney. You understand? Number 12, it treats Parkinson's disease. Yes, that unique so-called disease that is made from humans in the lab. And last but not least, number 13, it is great for the heart because it's called the cardiovascular herb. Me done with it. Peace and light, knowledge of the true virgin. Who have ears to hear, let them hear. Our dear man, success is only reserved for the searchers. Here is it, I bring it at your footstep.